This is rice paper and it turns into pizza. And the best part is you don't even need dough, but it still comes out surprisingly crispy. It's so simple to make. Once you watch it, you will be able to follow right along. You will need 2 rice papers, 2 eggs, a little cabbage, a little bell pepper, a little ham thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce, and half cup of mozzarella cheese. Thinly slice about 2 to 3 leaves of cabbage. Add 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, and mix well. If you like, you can add a little pepper too. Cut the bell pepper into small pieces and cut the ham into similar sized pieces. You don't have to stick to these ingredients. Feel free to use whatever you have in your fridge. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Place 2 rice papers in the pan. No need to soak them in water. Once you add the toppings, they will soften naturally. Add the cabbage and egg mixture on top and spread it thin. Don't add too much cabbage or it can turn soggy. A little goes a long way. Instead of covering the edges completely, leave a bit of rice paper visible for extra crispiness. Cover with a lid and cook for until 2 to 3 minutes. Once the egg is set, flip it over. Flip it over again. If you like a hint of sweetness, mix 2 pinches of sugar into the pizza sauce. Spread about 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce evenly. And top with mozzarella cheese. Add any extra toppings you like, just a little. Add the cheese last so it melts better and gives you that perfect stretch. Cover again and cook on medium-low heat until the cheese is fully melted. Can you see this? Crispy on the outside. And when you take a bite, the cheese stretches so nicely. It's so simple, but the taste is surprisingly close to real pizza. So good. Give it a try, it's really worth it. Thanks for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.